So in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 free AI tools that you can use as a content copywriter, as an academic writer and researcher, and also for content creation, general content creation and copywriting as well. So if that's what you like, I want you to stick on, as I'll be giving you these tools. They are 100% free. You're welcome once again to my channel. My name is Dozie Etelbert, and it's good to have you. What I do is I give tech education. I talk about AI, professional places to get professional trainings and coachings, and I expose you to the world of internet generally. If that's what you enjoy doing, why don't you smash the like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification so whenever I make a post related to any of these, you'll be the first to be notified about it. With that said, let's move into the business for the day. But before I show you these 4 AI tools, I want us to note something. AI will not entirely replace the place of humans. It's just for you to master how it can enhance your productivity. AI tools are to enhance your productivity and not to replace what you ought to do. So when you use these AI tools, I want you to use them with caution. I don't want you to entirely forget your place. You guide them into what they are to give you, and they give you the exact output. The thing is, they will make your work faster and make it of more quality, but it does not cover up for your professionalism. So that is one thing I want us to note about the use of AI in our writings or in our creations generally. So if that interests you to know, do not go anywhere, as I'll be showing you these 4 free AI tools. 100% free. You're not paying anything, like I've said before. So it's free, and it gives you premium quality. So stick on with me.
The number 1 tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI.
Talking about our first AI, ChatGPT, is the king of AI due to the fact that it changed the narrative of the whole use case of AI. ChatGPT, a very popular, you must have heard it if you are in the tech space or in the computer science space, you must have heard about this AI over 1,000 times, and yes, I am bringing it to you today. Yeah, so ChatGPT changed the whole narrative of the use cases of AI. So it writes in human realistic tone and engages with you like you are engaging with a human being, and gives you it writes in realistic tone and realistic voices. So once you give it the right prompt, it gives you the expected feed. So that makes it a very high and an advanced AI tool to use for your any type of research at all, for any form of research, any form of writing at all. ChatGPT, wants with the right prompt and the right tune, you can write in any tune or in any manner you expect it to write. The second tool in this video is Claude AI. Claude AI is an AI tool developed by Anthropic. Originally, it was open to US and UK citizens at its launch, but right now it's open for everybody. I am in Nigeria and I can use and maximize Claude AI. So Claude AI uses more advanced feature and also creates an engaging and conversational chat. And Claude AI is actually higher than GPT-4. is higher than GPT-4. And Claude AI also gives you conversational, and one unique feature with Claude AI is its ability to review documents in PDF formats, in Excel format, and a whole .csv format. So it can analyze data and give you an amazing feature. And one feature higher than ChatGPT is the fact that it can take a longer prompt than ChatGPT. So it makes it a very, very good case for people, business analysts who wants to summarize large sum of data. It also helps you create conversational and engaging charts the way, and very, 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 very a highly advanced tool. In fact, I can call it ChatGPT's rival. The third tool in this video is Bard. Our third tool, Google Bard, yes, is, as the name implies, is an AI tool that is developed by Google. So Bard is trained on real-time results. So Bard it has the ability to search on the internet and be able to respond to you in the latest and the most recent, based on the prompt you gave it. It is able to give you the most recent and the latest result. So once you prompt, but it does a kind of a search online to make sure that the information it's giving you is very, very recent and latest. All right, so that's one edge with Google Bard. The fourth tool is Microsoft Bing. Microsoft Bing Chat. Microsoft Bing Chat. So Bing Chat is exceptional tool for researchers. Why I say it's an exceptional tool for researchers is when you prompt Bing, it gives you responses. It feeds you back with the sources of where these responses are coming from. Which means if you're writing an academic work, doing an academic research, you can reference something. It comes with where it is quoting, and also recommends some sites where you can go and also do and read up more aside what is feeding you. Okay, and one thing is Bing Chat is quite precise, very precise in its reply. It's not so elaborate. It doesn't give you a detailed response like ChatGPT will, or like Bard will, or like Claude AI will. So it's quite precise. And while that might make sense, it might also be a downside because it doesn't really give you much of a conversational, or it's just so direct to the point. You give me A, I give you A. So, but it's a great tool. I find it an amazing tool for researchers. You can use it for academic work. You can ask it to generate sources of A, B, C, D, depending on what you're writing on, and it scouts everywhere online and gives you that response.